This shit crazy. I've been in this brand new motherfucking Cascada all day since 5 a.m. Ain't even had a chance to drive that bitch and deliver not one load. Nigga, it's damn near noon or better. All I done today since 5 a.m. is get fuel, go to the Loves, get a new tire put on, eat breakfast, and go about 20 miles to pick up the load. Get to the load. That bitch got a flat tire. So guess what I'm doing now? Waiting on another motherfucking Loves to come fix this hoe. Guess what? After they come fix this bitch, I'm gonna call my dispatch and say, nigga, I'm bringing this load to the yard. I'm done. I'm done being hostage in this motherfucking truck. Oh, goddamn day. That's the good thing about being local. You gonna anchor down and go home, nigga, you know what I mean? That's the good thing about being local. You ride around coming from the house. You have a breakdown, you have an issue. Nigga, fuck it. Tow that bitch. I'm going to the house. But I was trying to enjoy this bitch today. But I can't do shit. But wait while they fix this bitch. Now, don't get me wrong. Ain't nothing wrong with the truck. Truck a bad motherfucker. The problem is the drivers pre-tripping and post-tripping this hoe. I'm a bullshit nigga. But I'm a pre-trip and post-trip like a motherfucker. Why not? These motherfuckers got the money to fix some shit, so if you find something wrong, it ain't like it's coming out of your pocket. You know what I mean? It ain't like it's going out of your pocket. So why you bullshitting, pre-tripping and post-tripping, bitch? You hoe ass nigga too much in a hurry. You hoe ass niggas in a rush, and y'all missing out on shit. Now don't get me wrong. Mechanical shit, I can't really see too much on mechanical shit. But at the same time, some visible shit that you ain't supposed to just overlook. Man, these people be out here tripping. These niggas be having broken airlines, peeled tires, motherfucking lights out. These niggas be out here fucked up and don't report the shit. Guess what they'll do? They'll go park that bitch. You did? They'll go park that bitch, act like nothing wrong with it, and go home. Dirty motherfucker. And look, I must be by a damn shooting range. Cause right behind me, somebody busting like a motherfucker. Somebody busting like a motherfucker. Sound like they shooting off a goddamn AK-47. Sound like they shooting a goddamn AK-47. But I don't know. It looked like I made my whole damn day sitting at shops. I'm not sitting at the shop right now. I'm sitting at the shipper waiting on the shop. You dig? I'm sitting at the shipper waiting on the shop. Now, I had to wear another nigga gloves today. And look what it did. I put on a nigga gloves today and look what my knuckles did. A nigga got my tool bag with my gloves. But I put on another nigga gloves today. I can't wait to wash my hands and moisturize them. Because my knuckles don't be looking like this. My knuckles don't look like that, my nigga. My knuckles don't be looking like that, my nigga. My knuckles ashy than a bitch. I don't know what that nigga got on his dick beaters. But yeah, I put that nigga gloves on because I left my gloves in the truck. Now they doing slip seating over here. So they give me keys to a truck and tell me keep it for the weekend. I come back. Oh, this ain't the weekend. I'm tripping. I fucked up. I'm jail shocked. They said keep it for the weekend. Oh, damn. Today Monday. Today Monday. I fucked up. But this my Friday, huh? Today my Friday, so I thought I was supposed to keep it. I don't know. That's what the weekend dispatch said. Bitch busting like a motherfucker. Look, man. I'ma eat my salad. And take me another motherfucking nap. Man, I'm whole shooting, man. Motherfucker. Nigga. I ain't did shit today. And guess what? I broke my watch. I broke my watch. I did that. I broke my goddamn watch. I did that. But I ain't did shit today, nigga. I made my money sitting on my motherfucking ass doing nothing. Damn it, man. I don't know how to feel about that. So, leave it in the comments. How would you feel about it? Doing absolutely nothing. Getting paid for it. Some bullshit. I got to go.